The Battle of Mactan was a fierce clash fought in the Philippines on April 27, 1521. Lapu-Lapu and his warriors overpowered and defeated Spanish forces and killed their leader, Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan. But Lapu-Lapu the one who really killed Magellan? According to the journal by Antonio Pigafetta, an Italian scholar who was also there during the battle, Magellan first got wounded on his left leg by a sword, fell forward, and then finally killed by multiple warriors. Other sources say it was a poison arrow that hit Magellan on the leg that disabled him before getting killed. Even though Lapu-Lapu did not kill Magellan himself, he led his warriors to defend the Mactan. It is the reason why he is regarded a hero.